Oh crap, I never did another problem. But one of the problems when you have days like this, social distancing has all-time peaks, furry dogs. I can't complain. I want to talk about the idea of buying low and selling high. When it comes to investing, there's always a selling point at the minimum someone will buy, and there's the highest someone's going to buy. Now this is the basis of our economy. And what we can do as traders is look at charts and identify where these areas of lowest buying point and where the highest buying points are at. At some point, the price of any product is going to get overpriced and people are going to stop buying it. And at some point, they're going to wait for the price to come cheaper. That's why the market tends to come back. People who are going to sell high are going to take their money and run. And the people who are going to wait to buy are going to wait till the price come back to an average price range. Now, as investors, we see good low points where we can buy in an uptrending market. In this game of investing, it pays to be patient and wait for the previous person to prove to you that this is a low point. It usually pays to be the second person to go. Pioneers go and find new land, but it's people who come over, who settle after, who enjoy the fruits of the labor. So it's always good to be second. And since we can see our charts, we know the low points and the high point, we don't want to get in the high point because when people start realizing that this price of this product is overhyped, price is going to come back down. So why would you buy at the top? There's much more downside than upside when you're trying to buy at the top, where you can be more safe and get in at the bottom. It won't be easy finding bottoms, but if you want peace from investing, you gotta be prepared for war. Why it's always good to manage your risk when you find these low points to get in. And folks, no matter what you're doing investing, how fancy you do it, that's the essential of buying low, selling high, and managing